Right now, there are video editors quietly making hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars from a single project. What's surprising is that many of them are not using extremely advanced software, and they are not working on big budget films or cinematic productions. They are working on YouTube videos, social media content, and simple business projects. The real difference is not the tool they use, but the skill they bring to the table. In today's content-driven world, video editing is no longer just about cutting clips together. It is about understanding how content works, how people watch, and what keeps them engaged. Once you understand that, video editing becomes one of the most powerful and profitable digital skills you can learn. Why video editing is in high demand. The demand for video content has grown at an incredible rate over the last few years. Almost every platform now prioritizes video, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. Businesses need content to promote their products, creators need videos to grow their audience, and brands need consistent uploads to stay relevant. However, most of these people either do not have the time or the skill to edit videos themselves. This creates a massive opportunity for editors. The important thing to understand is that clients are not paying you just to use software. They are paying you to help their content perform better. They want higher watch time, better engagement, and more results. Editors who understand this are the ones who earn more because they are solving a real problem. Skill number 1: retention-based editing. One of the most important and highest-paying skills in video editing is retention-based editing. This is the ability to structure and edit a video in a way that keeps the viewer watching until the end. It involves removing unnecessary parts, tightening the pacing, and making sure there is always something happening on screen that keeps attention. For example, long pauses, repetitive sentences, or slow sections are cut out to keep the flow smooth. At the same time, small elements like zoom-ins, cuts, or visual changes are added to maintain interest. This skill directly impacts how well a video performs, especially on platforms like YouTube where watch time is critical. Clients value this skill because it helps their videos get more views and perform better, which makes them more willing to pay higher rates. Skill number 2: storytelling through editing. Editing is not just about arranging clips in order. It is about telling a story in the most effective way possible. A good editor understands how to guide the viewer's attention, how to build tension, and how to create emotional impact. This can be done through timing, music, pacing, and the way scenes are structured. For example, cutting at the right moment can create suspense, while holding a shot slightly longer can add emotion. Storytelling is especially important in YouTube videos, documentaries, and personal content where the narrative plays a big role. Editors who can shape a story rather than just assemble footage become much more valuable because they enhance the overall experience of the content. Skill number 3: short-form content editing. Short-form content editing is one of the fastest-growing and most in-demand skills today. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts require a completely different editing style compared to long-form videos. The attention span is much shorter, which means the hook needs to grab attention within the first few seconds. The pacing needs to be fast, and the content needs to deliver value quickly. This involves using quick cuts, subtitles, engaging visuals, and strong openings. Editors who understand how to create viral-style short content can find consistent work because creators and brands are constantly producing short videos. This makes it a reliable and scalable way to earn money. Skill number 4: sound design and audio control. Sound design is one of the most underrated but powerful editing skills. While visuals are important, audio plays a huge role in how professional a video feels. Good sound design involves choosing the right background music, adding sound effects where necessary, and balancing audio levels properly. For example, music should enhance the mood without overpowering the voice, and sound effects should add impact without becoming distracting. Poor audio can make even a visually good video feel unprofessional, while good audio can elevate a simple video significantly. Editors who pay attention to sound design stand out because they create a more polished and immersive experience. Skill number 5. Motion graphics and text animation. Motion graphics and text animation are essential for modern video content. Adding animated text, titles, and visual elements can make a video more engaging and easier to understand. This is especially useful for educational videos, social media content, and business-related videos where information needs to be communicated clearly. You don't need advanced animation skills to start. Even simple text animations, when used correctly, can improve the overall quality of a video. This skill adds an extra layer of professionalism and helps differentiate your work from basic editing. Skill number 6. Platform-specific editing. Different platforms require different editing styles, and understanding these differences is a valuable skill. For example, YouTube videos often require longer storytelling and structured content, while TikTok videos focus on quick, attention-grabbing clips. Instagram content may prioritize aesthetics and visuals, while corporate videos focus more on clarity and messaging. Editors who understand how to adapt their editing style based on the platform can deliver better results for clients. This makes them more valuable because they are not just editing videos, but optimizing them for performance. Skill number 7. Speed and workflow efficiency. Speed and efficiency are practical skills that directly impact your earning potential. Clients often need quick turnaround times, especially in fast-paced content environments. Editors who can deliver high-quality work efficiently have a clear advantage. This involves organizing files properly, using keyboard shortcuts, creating templates, and developing a smooth workflow. When you work faster without compromising quality, you can take on more projects and increase your income. This is one of the key ways professional editors scale their earnings. Why most editors don't make good money. Many editors struggle to make money not because they lack talent, but because they focus on the wrong things. They spend too much time learning complex effects and advanced techniques that are rarely needed in real projects. At the same time, they overlook the fundamentals like pacing, storytelling, and retention. Clients are not looking for flashy edits. They are looking for videos that perform well. Once you understand that, your focus shifts from learning tools to delivering results, and that's when your value increases. How these skills turn into income. When you combine these skills, you become more than just someone who edits videos. You become someone who improves content performance. This is what clients are willing to pay for. You are helping them grow their audience, increase engagement, and achieve better results. As your skills improve, you can charge higher rates, work with better clients, and build a stable income. Over time, this can even turn into a full-time career or a scalable business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.